Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Affinity design as a PNG with a transparent background. So let's get into it. So as you can see, I already have my image here. So once I go ahead and click export, as you can see, it has this white design or white color background. So to remove this and change this to a transparent background, all you have to do is click on document setup at the top right over here. Then you want to choose transparent background. You want to turn this on. By default, this is turned off. So again, you want to turn this on. And as you can see, the background changed to a transparent one. So once I go ahead and export this, click on the drop down. From here, you would already see that it has a transparent background. All you have to do next is just simply click export. That's it. Super simple. Now you know how to export as PNG and Affinity with a transparent background. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.